Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon right here to open the options. And as you can see here on the third position from the left, we've got the timer. So let's tap, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. It is immediately highlighted, and now and it is also visible right here, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. And now simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 I believe, and after that time it will take a photo. Here, as you can see, we've got also an additional countdown, which is I believe connected with the night shot. So you can quickly turn it off just by tapping on this moon icon, I believe. We will check that. So to turn off the timer, you can simply tap on this icon right here and tap on this icon without any kind of countdown applied. As you can see, it will immediately disappear after choosing the off option. Let me quickly check. Let's tap on the shutter button. As you can see, we've got this 3 seconds delay. So let's turn off the night shot, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.